Good morning, children. Exercise 2.4, part 2 explanation now. Part 2 explanation. Up to 3 problems completed in part 1. Now I am going you to tell class 8 exercise 2.4 part 2 from 4th problem onwards. From 4th problem onwards. So what is the 4th question given here? So what is the 4th question given here? A number is divided into two parts. A number is divided into two parts such that one part is 10 more than the other. One part is 10 more than the other. So if the two parts are in the ratio, so given ratio of two parts of a number, two parts of a number. So what is given here? Two parts here, 5:3. So I don't know what is the number. So I am taking as, let a number is equal to x. That is, first part is equal to, first part I am taking as, first part is here 5. So 5x. And second part I am taking as, what is the second ratio here? 3. So 3x. So first part number I know, second part number I know. So next what is given here? One part is 10 more than the other. One part is 10 more than the other. So by problem or according to the problem, one part is 10 more than the other. That means first part is equal to second part plus 10. More than means plus 10. So 5x is equal to 3x plus 10. So now see here, what is the condition we got here? 5x is equal to 3x plus 10. So I am giving 3x here. So 5x minus 3x is equal to 10. 5x minus 3x is 2x is equal to 10. X is equal to 10 by 2. 2 ones are 2 5s are. Therefore, what is the value of x here? 5 here. So we have to find the number and the two parts. So first part is how much data? First part is here given as 5x. So x is, how much x we got here? 5. So 5 5s are 25. So first part number is 25. So we have to find out second part number also. Second part is 3x. So 3 into 5 is 15. Therefore, what is the number then? The number is equal to fifth part and third part. That means 25 plus 15. So what is the number here? 40 is the number. 40 is the number. Next, fifth problem. So what is the fifth problem given here? When I triple a certain number, so I don't know the number. So let a number, what I am taking as x. Next what I given? Triple a number. Triple a number means what, Nana? 3 times of a number, 3 into x, that is 3x. When I triple a number and add 2 and add 2. So what we will get here? 3x plus 2. 3x plus 2. And next what given? I get the same answer as I do when I subtract the number from 50. Subtract the number from 50 means what, Nana? Subtract the number from 50. So what you will get here? 50 minus x. 1 means what? Second number minus first number. Second number minus first number. Second number is here 50. The number we took as x. By problem or according to the problem. So what is the condition we arises here? 3x plus 2 is equal to 50 minus x. 3x plus 2 is equal to 50 minus x. Now what we are doing here? Minus x get to 3x plus 2 get to 50. So 3x plus x will become, minus x will become plus x. 50 plus 2 will become minus 2. So 3x plus x is 4x. 50 minus 2 is 48. So 4x is equal to 48. X is equal to 48 by 4. 4 ones are 2s are. X is equal to how much, Nana, here? 12. X is equal to 12. Find the number. So what is the number we got? Therefore, the number is equal to 12. The number is equal to 12. Next here, sixth problem, Nana. Sixth one. So what is the sixth question given here? So Mary is twice older than her sister. Mary is twice older than her sister. Let present age of Mary's sister. Present age of Mary's sister. What I am taking as Mary's sister? X. So what is present age of Mary now? Present age of Mary is nothing but twice now. 2x. That is 2x. So Mary is twice older than her sister. First line completed. In 5 years time. In 5 years time. In 5 years time. So age of sister is, age of sister how much beta? 5 years time means x plus 5. Age of Mary how much now? Age of Mary is nothing but 2x plus 5. 2x plus 5. And in 5 years time, she will be 2 years older than her sister. Find how old are they both now. So by problem. By problem. So what is given here? Here Mary age is equal to sister's age. But sister is, before only she is 2 years older. Before only she is 2 years older. So 2x plus 5 is equal to x plus 5 plus 2. So 2x plus 5 is equal to x plus 5 plus 2 is 7. So get here x, take there 5. So 2x minus x is equal to 7 minus 5. X is equal to 2 years. So what is the x means? Whose age is the x here? Sister's present age is, sister's present age is equal to 2 years. Mary's present age, Mary's present age how much Nana? 2x means 2 into 2, 4 years. Okay now. This is the problem for 6th one. We will see now 7th one. So what is the 7th one given here? In 5 years time, Reshma will be 3 times older as she was 9 years ago. So present age of Reshma. Let present age of Reshma. So what I am taking? Present age of Reshma. X I am taking. 3 times the Reshma will be 3 times as old as she was 9 years ago. 9 years ago. 9 years ago means what Nana? So x minus 9. 9 years ago means x minus 9. So by in 5 years time. In 5 years time. 5 years time means x plus 5. Ago is x minus 9. In 5 years time is x plus 5. So according to the problem, what we will get here? X plus 5 is equal to 3 times 9 years ago. So 3 into x minus 9. X plus 5 is equal to 3 into x is 3x. 3 into 9. So x plus 5 is equal to 3x minus 27. So x get here, plus 5 take here. So 3x minus x is equal to minus 27 minus 5. Minus 2x is equal to minus 32. Minus minus cancel. So 2x is equal to 32. X is equal to 32 by 2. 2 1s are 2 16s are. X is equal to 16 years. So what is Reshma's present age? Reshma's present age is equal to 16 years. Reshma's present age is equal to 16 years. This is the exercise 2.4.